Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a glossy text effect in Canva. First up, open your Canva, and then here, the first that we can do is go to apps at the bottom left, go to the search box at the top, and search for type gradient. And then we can select this app right here. So this is the application, so we're going to click on this one. And as you can see, elevate your designs with text gradients. Make your designs pop with beautiful gradients. Right, so we can basically wait for a moment. So as you can see, it is now loading the image from this app. And then once done, we can now go and click on the open button right here at the bottom. So once you click on open, then again, we need to wait for a few seconds here. And then we can now create a font. So go to the main text at the top. This time we're going to change it into quick how-to. So this is the name of the channel. Then go to font. The font style here will be like bangers. So there you have it. And then we can just select this one and then go back. Now the alignment will be at the middle. Then we can change the gradient color. For example, this one here is like red and a yellow. The right side. Now at the middle, I'm going to select this one. So as you can see here, if I'm going to look at the preview, so this is the gradient color. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reposition this dot to basically create a stunning glossy effect. So just like this. So if you're okay with this one, then you can now continue by clicking on the Add to Design button. Then it will show you up this on your page. So you can drag the corner to basically resize the font. Next, what we can do now is go to elements and we go to add with a circle shape, and then drag the side here like this. So we want to create like a glossy effect here. So basically, I'm going to change the color into gradient and then go to add a new color, select the style too. So the primary color is black, but we need to adjust this one to make it like transparent color. And with this one, we can control at the middle. So as you can see, it looks like a glossy font. So as you can see, you can readjust or realign the circle right over here. And then once done, click on the share button at the top right. And then basically you will need to download this one, right? So if we're going to download, as you can see here, so we're going to click on the download button. And then we need to wait for a few seconds here. And once done, select the image or click save button, and click on the image, drag it to this option to basically upload this image to Canva. They add the page, and then we're going to add the image that we have just created, and then go to edit photo right there at the top left, and then click on video remover. So it will remove the background. And once done, you can now create or add a color background. So in this case, I'm going to resize the corner, right? So just like this, and then select the background. I'm going to change it into color black right here. Next, what we can do here is we're going to resize this one, right? We can go to edit photo, go to shadows and outline, and we're going to change the angle. For example, you can change the shadow into white Change the angle like 60 or something. Size will be like 12 or something. That depends on your preference. And once done, as you can see, we have just created a glossy text effect from Canva. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.